Biggest beginner mistakes in the stock market. If you are new to investing, pay close attention because this video can save you a lot of money. Most beginners don't lose money by accident. They lose money because of simple, avoidable mistakes that the pros have learned to master. Today, we are going through the most important ones. Understanding these 6 traps is the first step to becoming a successful investor. Mistake number 1, investing without knowledge. This is perhaps the most dangerous trap of all. Many beginners buy stocks without truly understanding the business behind them. They hear a tip from a friend or see a viral post on social media. But if you don't know the company's earnings, debt, or competitive advantage, you aren't really investing, you are just guessing. Investing without knowledge is not investing, it is gambling. And in the market, the house always wins if you don't have an edge. Smart investors take the time to learn the fundamentals. They study the industry and the numbers before they ever put their hard-earned money at risk. Mistake number 2, following the crowd. This is often driven by FOMO, the fear of missing out. When everyone is talking about a stock at the water cooler or on news headlines, most beginners feel like they have to jump in right now. The problem is, by the time the crowd is talking, the big gains have already been made. You end up buying late when the price is already at its peak. Then, at the first sign of a drop, the same crowd panics. They sell at a loss, effectively buying high and selling low. It's a recipe for disaster. Successful investors think independently. They don't follow hype, they follow value. If everyone is buying, that's often the time to be cautious. Mistake number 3, expecting quick profits. The dream of getting rich overnight is the fastest way to go broke. Many beginners enter the market with a short-term mindset. They want results in days or weeks, looking for that one moonshot stock. But wealth creation is more like gardening than sprinting. The stock market does not reward impatience, it rewards time and compounding. If you chase quick money, you will usually find yourself taking unnecessary risks. And those risks often lead to losing money just as fast as you hope to make it. Real success comes from consistency and long-term thinking. Think in years, not days. This shift in perspective changes everything. Mistake number 4, ignoring risk management. This is perhaps the most technical but critical mistake on this list. Beginners often put too many eggs in one basket, investing a huge portion of their savings into a single sure-thing stock. They also hold on to losing positions for far too long, hoping the price will recover, rather than having a clear point to cut their losses. Smart investors always manage risk. They know that protecting their capital is more important than catching every single winner. They use stop losses and maintain a diversified portfolio. Because if you lose your capital, you lose your ability to stay in the game and recover. Mistake number 5, emotional decisions. Fear and greed are the 2 greatest enemies of any investor. When prices are soaring, greed takes over. People buy more because they feel invincible, often right before a market correction. And when the market dips, fear kicks in. They panic and sell their quality investments at the worst possible time just to stop the pain. The market does not reward emotion, it rewards discipline. To succeed, you must learn to detach your feelings from the numbers on the screen. You need to stay calm, follow your preset strategy, and make decisions based on cold, hard logic rather than the mood of the day. Mistake number 6. No clear plan. Many beginners enter the market like a ship without a rudder. They don't know when to buy, when to sell, or most importantly, why they are investing in the first place. Are you for growth or for income? Without a plan, you are just reacting to the market's noise, and reacting almost always leads to mistakes and unnecessary transaction costs. Every successful investor has a clear strategy. They know exactly what their entry and exit points are before they ever place a trade. A plan is your map through the volatility. It keeps you focused on your destination when things get bumpy along the way. Now, here's the truth that many won't tell you. Making mistakes is normal. In fact, it's part of the learning process. Every legendary investor has made mistakes. The difference is this: smart investors learn from them and adapt. Beginners simply repeat them. If you want to succeed in the stock market, remember these core principles. Learn before you invest, think independently, and above all, be patient. Manage your risk carefully. Control your emotions when others are panicking, and always have a clear plan. The stock market is not a place to get rich quickly. It is a place to build lasting wealth over time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you respect the process and avoid these common pitfalls, you can and will succeed. The market rewards those who are prepared. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on your journey to financial freedom. Good luck out there.